1,
She was beaming.
Same of she had a big, radiant smile.
2,
The kids were smiling from ear to ear.
3,
He looked puzzled.
Same of confused.
4,
She grinned.
Same of had a small smile.
5,
He winced when the doctor gave him an injection.
Same of had a quick expression of pain.
6,
She gave me a dirty look.
Same of looked at me angrily.
7,
She blushed.
Same of her face turned red because she was embarrassed.
8,
His eyes were glazed over.
Same of he appeared.
9,
Why the long face?
An informal expression to ask why someone looks sad or upset.
10,
Her expression was unreadable.
Same of you can't know what she is feeling.